How to log in into your ChatGPT account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your ChatGPT account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is you'll need to open up your ChatGPT. So for that, head over to chatgpt.com, and after you search for chatgpt.com, you should be on ChatGPT's website. Right after you're on chatgpt.com, you'll find this pop-up that will ask you to log in. So if you don't see this, you can simply go ahead with the login process. So if you see this, tap on login. If not, I'll show you what to do. So if you're on this section right here, tap on this login option on the top right. Tap on login, and after you tap on login, it will take you to this section. So what you'll have to do after you're here is type in your email address if you are going to log in without using your Google, Microsoft, Apple, or phone number. And after you tap on continue, you will have to type in your password. If else, all you have to do is tap on continue with Google, select your Google account. You will get a pop-up here, and then you'll get logged in. So it's the same thing. You can choose to sign in with your Google or simply type in your email address and then password and then log in. So that's basically how you do it, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.